All right, everybody, this is your Core Bites number 33, so please make sure you make your corrections on yours and let us know if you have questions. Don is taking his family to the zoo. There will be 3 adults and 6 children. Child tickets cost $8.50. Adult tickets cost $12. How much will Don pay in all for zoo tickets? Okay? All right, so let's do one group and then the other group, okay? So let's start with the adult tickets, okay? There are 3 adults and 6 children. So 3 adults, you're going to have 3 adults with $12 a ticket, okay? So over here, you're going to say, let me choose a different color. You're going to say, okay, I've got $12 per ticket. I'm going to need 3 tickets. So with your decimals, you just bring down your decimal. Just bring it down. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0 because any number times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. So for the 3 adults to go, guys, that is $36 just for the adults, just for the grown-ups to go, okay? Then you're going to have 6 children, okay? And they're going to be $8.50 a piece. So you're going to do $8.50 times 6. Just bring your decimal down. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 would be 30. So regroup. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 3 would give you 51. Okay? So you're going to have $36 and $51. But you're not done. You have to add them together to find your total, your all that you're going to have to pay. Okay? So you're going to do $51. Then you're going to do $36, lining up the decimals, lining up the dollar signs. You're going to add it together. Okay? So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Bring your decimal down. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. So, guys, for y'all to go to the zoo, it's going to cost a total of $87. And I'm pretty sure if y'all go to Riverbank Zoo near Greystone, that's probably going to be about the same price or a little bit more. For your next one, it says round each to the nearest 10. So you've got to look at your place value. So 1s, 10s, 1s, 10s, 1s, 10s. Okay? So the 6 is going to talk to the 7. The 7 is going to tell the 6 to go up. So this will be 770. The 7 is going to tell the 0 to go up. So that's going to be 2,410. The 9 is going to tell the 9 to go up, which is going to make the other 9 go up. So this one is going to be 85,000 for that one. After that, we have some equivalent fractions. And remember, guys, we're just going to cross multiply. And we also have some zeros to help us this time. So 7 times 100 is 700 because all you do is say 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 zeros, okay? So 10 times what gives us 700? If you say, okay, 10 times 7 is 70 plus a 0 would give us 700. So that would be 70 because 10 times 7 is 7. Then you have your 2 zeros. That gives you your 2 zeros here. So the answer would be 70. For your next one, you have an angle. And it's asking you to figure out the measure of ABX. So ABC equals 80. XBC equals 50. So they want to know this missing angle right here, which is ABX. You're naming it based on your points. So all you have to do is take your whole, which is 80, subtract the angle you know, which is 50. And I know y'all can do this in your head already. These are degrees. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. So your answer for this missing angle would be 30 degrees. Because 30 degrees plus 50 degrees gives you 80 degrees. For your last question, it is asking if this line, this dotted line, is a line of symmetry. So if we were folding the paper, it would fit perfectly overlapped. So yes, this is a line of symmetry. So guys, please check your answers. Please let us know if you have any questions.